All right, in this bowl, I have 240 grams of warm water. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm gonna mix all this up, and I'm gonna let the yeast do its thing for maybe about 10-ish minutes, and then we'll come back and add the flour. All right, the yeast has done its thing. Now, I'm just gonna preface by saying I have not tried this recipe, and I got it from Reddit, specifically the Breadit subreddit. So I don't know how well it's gonna work out. But now that this has done its thing, it says to add 360 grams of bread flour. And then after you add that, exactly 20 strokes to incorporate the flour in. I have a feeling I'm gonna do more than 20, but you know, we're gonna add 360 grams of flour. 361. Close enough. Yeah, see, I'm not counting. Just gonna incorporate the flour in. And then once it is just incorporated, it basically says to just let it sit on your counter until it doubles in size, and then we'll put it in the fridge. Honestly, I'm just hoping the flour to water ratio is correct, because it's not really something I love messing with. I'm gonna kind of knead it, but just a little bit. I don't think it says to. It might, and I may have not read the recipe very well, but such is my life. But this dough actually does feel good, so that's a plus. Also, if you've ever been to Jimmy John's, you know their bread has like a specific flavor, and so I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to recreate it, but I mean, maybe. All right, so basically I'm just gonna let this sit on the counter now, covered, until it doubles in size, and then we'll put it in the fridge, but I'll show you what it looks like before I put it in the fridge. All right, so I very much did let this go too long, even though it's only been 2 hours. Ugh! This dough is so sticky. I'm gonna not put it in the fridge like this. I'm gonna separate it. It's supposed to make 2 loaves, so my plan, which is not the directions, I'm gonna separate it. And I've got these 2 containers here that I use for my pizza dough when I make pizza balls. So I'm gonna separate it. Hopefully it even fits in these. I don't know. We'll punch it down. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on it because, like I said, it is super sticky. I don't know. And I'm just gonna kind of, yeah, that's good. She is just really sticky. I'm gonna olive oil these containers because I'm not trying to make my life harder tomorrow, even though they are silicone. I'm not trying to make my life harder, which seems like I always am trying to make my life harder, but you know, whatever. This dough is so sticky. Super, 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 super. Oh my goodness. It's probably painful to watch. Oh my gosh. It is just, gosh. I don't know if I've ever like worked with a dough that is this sticky. Look at is. Oh my god. You know, every time I touch it, I'm like, this is a bad idea. I should stop touching it. But like, I just followed the recipe. That is all I did. This is so sticky. This is truly a mess. Basically, I'm just gonna keep it like this. I have lids. These came with lids. I'm gonna put the lids on these, put them in the fridge for, it says 12 to 24 hours, which is quite a bit of, it's a big range. Probably more like 18 hours in the fridge is what I'm gonna do with these. Lord knows how this is gonna turn out, so, you know. Welcome to my chaotic channel where I try recipes that I randomly see online with no shame. Alright, so this is the next day. This is what the dough looks like. I already did one, mostly to just even see if I could get this out. This dough is very, 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 very sticky. I don't know. Like I said, this is just like a random recipe from Reddit, the subreddit Breadit. So, you know, you never know until you try. So that's what we're doing. I'm basically just taking these balls and shaping them into a rectangle, and then shaping those into what resembles a roll, like a Jimmy John's loaf. Also, like I said, these were in the fridge overnight, and then I got them out about an hour ago so the dough could come more to room temperature. And then now I'm just shaping them into a rectangle per what the directions said on the subreddit. Again, I will be the very first person to say I'm not very good at shaping dough. I never have been. I don't. I'm just not good at it, but it's okay. So I kind of just shaped it into a rectangle-ish, and then folded it over like this, folded this piece over like this, and then folded it over one more time like that. I don't know. And then it kind of formed a loaf shape. And then I have a loaf pan over here, of which I'll bring you all to. This is so skinny, but I think it'll be fine. Hold on. Alright, I did forget to show you all what they look like. They've been sitting here for a little bit over an hour. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and that's what they look like. Honestly, they look really good. So I'm gonna bake these at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. Very specifically says 18 minutes, so we're gonna do 400 for 18 minutes. And on top of that, while it's baking, they want you to put 2 to 3 cups of hot or boiling water in a pan and set that underneath your bread while it's baking so it steams. So we are going to do that. Again, honestly, these look pretty good. For not being very good at shaping things, they look pretty good. I'll show you guys putting it in the oven with the water and all the things. All right, we'll see that in 18 minutes. Wow. Look. It actually looks like Jimmy John's bread. Whoa. I'm impressed. But we're only gonna have dinner for another like 3 hours. But you know, I'm actually impressed. So we'll see how it tastes later tonight. You're ready. I don't know what the expectations of these. Pro tip is always wrap your sandwiches. Is it good? I mean, it's probably not exactly like Jimmy John's because Jimmy John's is different, but...
No, it's really good. I feel like I might need a little bit more mayonnaise, but...
I watched a video on the people of Jimmy John's, and I put about just as much as they did.
Very good.
With the sprouts. Do you have anything? Jonathan's been outside working all day, so he's pretty dead inside. The bread all right? Because that's the whole point of the video, is really just the bread.
I feel like it tastes a little bit different, but...
Well, I mean, no one has Jimmy John's exact recipe.
Oh, yeah. Well, very good, though.
Okay, well, John's very out of it, so we're gonna go eat our dinner, and, you know, he probably definitely sold you on making this bread, but...
But no, I mean, it's really, I really like the sprouts, and the bread is really good. It's got a nice flavor to it.
Well, fun fact for any of the peoples out there, Jimmy John's used to put sprouts on their sandwiches, and they no longer do anymore. But we put sprouts on ours, so yeah.
Really good.
Okay, well, Jonathan might see you in the next video. He might not. I don't know. Who knows what it's gonna be. Okay, bye.